Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous, sleek retro design using this absolutely stunning sunflower vinyl. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started on the tutorial. Today we will be working on a 24-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. Make sure you check the description below as there will be a discount code for you. I have cut my template out on this really pretty sunflower vinyl, and I am using my tumbler template hack. If you would like to watch that video, it's a few videos back. It will make applying your template and the glitters so much easier. After I have my template all cut out, I am going to place a piece of transfer tape over the top. Just trimming the excess away to make the template a little bit easier to use. And then I am taking my Cami Page Boutique Ultimate Tumbler tool and making a straight line going vertically up my tumbler. Then I am going to use that line as a guide and line my template up with that line. And then just apply my template. I usually wrap it around to make sure that my line is straight and the template is going on straight. And then I just start removing a little bit of the backing at a time and pressing firmly with my hand. Once you have almost wrapped your template all the way around your tumbler, you can remove the rest of the backing, but before you apply it, take a few inches of that transfer tape back so you can expose the seam of the beginning to make sure those two seams match up perfectly and don't overlap the transfer tape. Now we are going to remove the section of the template that we want to glitter first, and then we are going to paint that and glitter it. Depending on your glitter, if you're using a translucent glitter, you're going to want to base coat this section. I am not. I am using a pretty opaque glitter, so I am just going to take some chalk paint and some glitter glue, and I usually use about a 50-50 ratio, and mix that together and apply that to that section of the tumbler in small sections so it doesn't dry out. And then while that glitter glue and paint mixture is still wet, you're going to sprinkle on your glitter. This first glitter color is one of my newly released glitter colors that came in a recent designer box. It is called Glow Up, and it is a beautiful mixture of a color shift. It is kind of like a bronzy gold to green shift. It is super pretty with this vinyl. If you want more information on my designer boxes, I release them every single month in my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group. There is a link to join that in the description. It is free, and they come every single month with 2 pattern vinyl sheets and 3 coordinating custom mix glitters, and they are just so much fun, and they really get those creative juices flowing. Then after we have that one section applied, we are going to remove our next section, and right here I decided to take the other outside section, there are 4 sections on this template, and apply the Glow Up as well. Now we are going to remove the third section of our template and grab some glitter glue and some green paint. We are going to be applying this green glitter called Growth that was also part of the designer box. Now go ahead and remove the last piece of our template, and then we are going to mix up kind of a tealish blue paint and some glitter glue. Apply that to that final section, and then we are going to take the final glitter color from the designer box called Blue Skies and sprinkle it on that section. Now you are going to glitter the bottom of your tumbler if you choose to. I just forgot to record that part. Once that is all done, you can go back and remove that top shelf liner that was protecting your vinyl. If you're wondering how I did this, go back and watch my video on the template hack. After that, you are going to let those glitters and glue dry. Spray seal that glitter really well with some Rust-Oleum or Krylon's Triple Thick. That's just my favorite. You can use whatever you prefer. And then we are going to add a layer of epoxy. Once your epoxy is all cured, you're going to cut out some vinyl striping. I went with this metallic yellow, and we are going to place that in between each glitter section. This just brings this all together, and it gives it a really nice, clean, and classy look. Once those are all applied, you can add a decal if you want. I just decided I didn't want to take too much away from the design, so I added a little decal to the bottom section, and it just says "Be the Sunshine," and I did that in the same metallic yellow. Now you're going to take your tumbler back over to your turner and add your final layers of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. And here is our tumbler all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you try out one of my designs, make sure you give Diamonds and Dust a tag so I can see your beautiful work as well.